Yeah, we can see a screen.
Okay, you can see my screen, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So just let me show. Okay, so I just logged in.
Okay.
Okay. So if I click on the logout, it should log out and go to the India.reseller club, right? So it is going to Phoenix host.
Okay. If
Okay.
you log out.
Yeah, I press logout now. See the URL. I am on the I logged into the India Reseller Club na, as a reseller.
Right.
But after logging out, I am going to the my super site, and the logout action is it's actually not work here.
Correct. Can we please try this? Hi, Makran. My name is Rajan. Can we please try this in the incognito mode?
Yeah. So I also wrote in the ticket that if I have fresh browser, okay,
Right.
or if I go to the fresh browser and I try this, then it will work properly.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
No, I understood the problem. Makran, can you?
Yeah. So
we had a reasoning shared by our developers, as to why or when this could occur. But before we do this, we want, we still would want to just clarify this once using the incognito mode, and that would either verify what these guys are saying, or what our devs are saying, or what you are encountering right now.
just let me try.
Are you using same tab or same browser for?
Yeah, right now I'm incognito. No?
Okay.
No. So at one time,
I'm
are you
trying to
accessing the Big Rock panel as well as the Reseller Club panel? Because I can see in the first tab, I'm assuming you were logged into the
yeah, I
RC
logged
panel.
out here. Yeah, I'm not logged in here right now. I am totally logged out. Okay. I'm just trying to replicate, revert to old loop.
Yeah.
I guess I know what exactly the problem is. Makran, can you go back to your reseller panel account?
Let me just once try.
Yeah, Ankit, let him try. Let him let Makran display what he was trying to achieve. Because now, if you notice, here we are logged into two panels at the same time.
Look,
yeah,
even if I have logged out here, okay, I completely logged out from the big group right now.
Correct.
Okay, so I'm still logged in. Yeah, it's going to big rock. So if in my browser, if I log into any super site, any control panel of the super site, any site, so whether it is a big rock, my Phoenix host, or any other, so then whenever I log into India Reseller Club website, I get logged out to that site.
Correct.
Yeah. And same happens if I add fund. So I am not having issue with the logout, but I have issue with this. But the adding fund is working fine.
Okay.
Yeah. After the fund is added, funds get added, but I get redirected to the
other panel rather than the actual RC panel, or you would say, right? Ankit, please go on if you want to explain based on, I think this is what we discussed.
Yeah, are you adding funds?
I try to clear cache in my browser also. After that, it is also the same thing.
That's okay, sir.
If I right now open another browser, then it works fine. But as I just, because I'm a web developer, I many times I transfer domains from other panel to my panel and keeps happening. So
right. So Makran, there is a reason why this is happening, and we had a theory behind this as to what could be the possibility, even based on the screenshot and the GIF that you had shared, right? So Ankit, please go on. Like, if I think
Okay.
we have the right screen, so you should be able to explain.
Right. So can you go to tools and then go to branding settings?
Okay.
Okay, 1 minute. One minute, sir. Can you click on supersite?
Yes.
1 minute.
Yeah, but issue in the redirecting of ResellerClub site, na? It's not about my super site.
All right, so 1 minute. Let me try opening your account. I'm just opening your account from my end to replicate this. Just allow me 1 moment.
Repeat again.
No, I was just saying I'm just trying to access your account so that I can replicate from
Okay. Okay.
So you're saying this only happens when you sign out from
Whenever I whenever I log into any other super site, right now I just logged in and logged out from the Big Rock. And if I click on the sign out, I'm going to Big Rock. I'm not going to Phoenix Source right now. I'm not going to ResellerClub site.
that is I am assuming that this is actually the session is getting merged because you have a tab open for Big Rock as well.
Yeah, I logged out, I close. Since if I close it, I'm going to Big Rock. If I close both the tabs, I again log in. Okay. Okay, right now if I log out, I'm again going to Big Rock.
Okay, let's do one thing, sir. Open this in a open reseller panel in private window. Can you delete your cookies and cache first?
Only for this site or entire browser?
Delete for the entire day, or delete for Big Rock and ResellerClub both.
Yeah, I tried that too. 1 second for the application. Let me clear everything. Cookies. Share storage. Anything?
Cache storage.
Local storage would have to be.
Yeah, I cleared.
Session and local storage should do. Session storage and local storage should do.
Clear. Both.
Okay.
Cleared, right? Okay.
Now, open this in a new tab, sir.
Okay, 1 second. Yeah, it logged out. Okay, manage. Oh, okay. It again goes back. And it is happening since I think more than 6 months, maybe. I'm not, I don't remember, but it's going from a long time.
And you had reported this before, sir?
Repeat again, Ankit.
You reported this before, as in, did someone from our end?
Reported
Okay.
this recently in June or May.
Okay. Okay. No, I asked because I thought if there is any previous task, I can check.
Yeah, because major issue I failed here adding funds, but fund was getting added properly, so I didn't bother to report it. So if I go and add the funds, let me add 100 rupees now. Okay, everything is processed. It went to Big Rock with error. This error always comes. And if I just duplicate, okay. If I go back to the welcome page, the fund is getting added. Yeah, fund is received here. Not issue with adding funds, but after that I get redirected to the Big Rock or whatever the super site I had visited before. Maybe this issue might be at your server level. The server might.
No, the problem is,
The
yeah,
author
that's
box
exactly
server might get
why.
confused with it.
Okay. Makaran, can we now just log out of all the sessions, right? Just close all the sessions. Log out properly, like from every this thing. And we will close this session and then we will open an incognito window, right? And access only one panel at a time.
Okay.
That is either RC or either Big Rock or either Phoenix host, either anyone. So we would not try to do. And once we do that, then we should be able to clarify, make that distinction as to what is happening.
Okay. So I logged out from the both and closed both.
Right. And this is the only incognito window. So yeah, we should be good.
Yes. Okay, if I log out,
yeah,
it logs out properly. Okay.
Correct. Right. Now let's close this window, open a new incognito window.
Okay.
Perfect.
Which one should
Let's
I
say
log?
Big Rock.
Okay, Big Rock. So
right? And if we try to log out,
yeah, it will log out properly.
correct. Same case, let's close the window, not in the same window. We have to,
I will open
yeah.
it. Tab.
No, let's, I want you to access the Phoenix host also, just to the other URL that your customers might be using.
Okay. 1 second. Let's see. Yeah.
Correct.
Yeah. If I close this or enter a window, the every session, everything is gone.
Exactly the point.
So
So,
that,
here.
After that, no issue.
Exactly. I would like to share my screen. I'm not sure if I have the option to share my screen.
You can.
Share screen, yes. Okay, perfect. Can I share my screen?
Yes, it's good.
Oh, okay. Thank you. So, this is, in short, this is how, this is what is happening, right? We are trying to log in or sign in into our RC panel, Big Rock panel as well, right? And this is basically at this point in time, this is happening on the same browser tab. This both things, right?
Correct.
Now, when when you log into the RC panel, the request that goes is to the order box backend.
Yes,
right? It's hosted on the same backend, the same server, and when you log into the Big Rock panel, it's just the branding that is changing, but the query, when the query hits the backend, right? This happens to us as well, because when we are troubleshooting issues and we are logged into, if we are already logged into one account, right? And if I try to log into another account while troubleshooting, it so happens that it merges the session for us. That is, one account would be merged with the other account. So suddenly, if I'm trying to access the second reseller account, but because of these two sessions which I've already logged into the same browser, this is not our backend would not be able to make that distinction.
Yes.
So hence,
yeah,
right. Hence, when we log into these panels, we ourselves make sure that we sign out of these sessions, and then we do this. Now, there is only one catch, right? There's only one catch for me. Let's say when we log into this URL, right, RC URL, and I logged out, I signed out, my session should have ended there, right? Here my session should have ended. Now, second, I'm trying to log in via Big Rock, this thing, and then it should have, and when I sign out, it should redirect me to Big Rock because this session has already ended.
Correct.
Correct. Now,
yes.
This is what I want to clarify with the devs as to, if this is the expected behavior, and the last 5-10 minutes that we've done, that serves as a, that recording. I'm assuming we are already recording this session.
Yes.
So, that serves as a, that reference point for our devs also to look at.
Yes. I will share this recording with you.
Thank you. Ankit,
and
any questions?
As I am a developer, Ranjit, I would say if both our tabs are running, still your order book should not confuse with the logout URL.
Yeah, so this happens basically because two reseller accounts are active in the same tab. Yeah,
but at the same moment, both have different URLs, so order box should make a difference between both.
Yes. This is a known issue, I would say, Makran. So this is how when we are logged into two panels, right, at the same time, the same browser, this seems to have this impact on our end. So in terms of resolving this, I need to confirm if this particular behavior, right, like if we sign out of that account and if we are trying to log into the other account, is that also going to cause an issue, is what I would want to clarify with the devs. So with the, if you we have this part anyways, if you can also share the recording, right, it would be very easy for the devs to just take a look and confirm it right away that this is the behavior. We will just show them that we went on a call and this was the behavior we observed, and basis this we would like to know if even signing out from an account should have caused the session merge or not. Right. So it's for us to identify and confirm if this is a known behavior, how do we fix it, and if we are using multiple panels, then how are we supposed to use it. As we saw, if we are logged into one incognito window, right, at a time with RC panel, and if you are working or operating only with that account, that is RC panel or Big Rock panel, it works fine. It is
Yes.
only when we operate with multiple panels or accounts, right, in the same browser, then it seems to cause this issue.
Yes.
So this is kind of known. I know what is to be expected from the, from the devs end also, but this is definitely one point I would like to clear or clarify, because our understanding was, if I sign out of that particular session, right, is the cookie or the session, in some way still interfering and causing this to be redirected to the
But
other one.
just want to clarify, only the session or cookie or logout URL of the sub reseller's site is causing issue
Correct.
with the reseller club site. If I
Right. So in this case, right, for example, Big Rock basically caters only to end customers. You do not have a reseller panel, right? But if you notice, that way, even the customer control panel or the reseller panel, the backend still remains the same.
same,
That
yeah.
is the order box backend. Correct. The order box backend, right? So either ways, even if it's a customer URL, customer portal, or a reseller portal that we are logged into, if that is how OrderBox works, or if that is expected, then our devs should be able to confirm. Else, now at least we have sample, the exact picture that we are logged into one RC panel, or we could even log into a demo panel, right, for that matter, and be able to show you that.
Correct.
Like for the devs to confirm, basically. It should not take more time on this.
Yes. If I right now logged into Phoenix source, okay, and I log out and I close it and I go to Big Rock.
No, I think you'll have to remove that servlet. Correct.
Okay. I log out Big Rock, it went to the Big Rock URL. It's not interfering with the Phoenix source URL. Okay.
Right.
Okay. And if I just closing Big Rock tab okay, on the reseller club. Now it will go to the Big Rock, supposed to. Yeah. It is going right now.
Got it.
And just let me open again Phoenix host. Okay.
Ankit, once we receive the link, the recording link from Makarand, let's share the same with Danyaji, and we should be able to have this. Like they should have enough details now to confirm that behavior.
Okay. So I visited Phoenix host. Right now it is redirected to Phoenix host. So maybe the issue is with this role.
Okay, got it.
Okay,
understood.
But,
so even Phoenix host, the Phoenix host URL, right?
As a reseller, okay, and to Phoenix host and to Big Rock, I logged in as a customer.
Okay, got it. So
something.
The Phoenix host URL where you've logged in, right? The Phoenix host URL that you were logged into, that was a customer account. Customer URL. Okay. Got it.
Let me try for reseller, and let's see if this creates an issue. Where is my incognito? I just close it. I logged in as a reseller. Oh, what happened?
This account is suspended, by the way, the one that you were checking. So it will give you reseller status shows suspended.
Okay, so let's log out this, see what happens.
Now we are logged into the RC panel and you're trying to log into, are you trying to log into a sub reseller account or a customer account?
Both.
Customer account. Okay.
Yeah, that was a reseller account, sub reseller. Yeah, same happens. I'm not sure I have maybe customer account with. Let's try. I don't have account. As a customer, I think I had account.
So if you're logged into, like if you can just go to the RC panel, right? And from there, we'll just try to log into any of those customer accounts there. Like the same way, how you've generated that temp login.
Customers under me, yeah, the same. If I log into customer under me or service under me, it's going to the Phoenix source.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. After that, it's happening that.
Yeah, this is, I think this is our ticket portal, right? Customer account.
It's a CP India.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, let's see what happens. I am right now as a customer to reseller club. Let me log out. Let's see what happens. Yeah, it is going to cp.india. Okay.
Right. You're logged into the India CP India panel, right?
Was as a customer to reseller club. As a customer to reseller club, I logged in and I logged out from that URL. And after that, I logged in as a reseller to reseller club. So, yeah, I can say that the order box is catching the URL of the customer redirection. And
can you help us with this ID, the last one, where you logged into as cp.india.reseller.com?
Yeah, this one.
Yeah, the ID, the email address that you used to log into. Yes, yeah, this email, this URL as well as the email address.
Same.
Okay.
I had account as a reseller also and as a customer also with the reseller club.
Okay, so
what I can conclude that if I log into any customer account on order box, and after that, if I log into a reseller club as a reseller, it is redirecting to the last customer URL, customer portal URL.
Right. So with RC, Makarand, we do not, being a reseller club, B2B oriented thing, we even if we are purchasing direct orders with reseller club, right, you get basically a reseller account. It's not a customer account, and like maybe it's a Webro account or this thing. So you have the choice to have sub resellers or customers under your chain. So even the CP thing, right, which you mentioned,
if I
is the same ID.
Yeah, same account.
Okay, understood. This is why you say that you have a customer account. Okay.
Yes. If I click on reseller, I go to the reseller account. If I click on the customer, that has nothing, empty.
Right. If you notice that this is the reseller account or the customer one which you logged into.
Right now, this is a reseller.
Okay. Can you please log into the customer one as well? Just once more.
Customer. It has nothing. It is
empty. Okay. Got it. It is actually a customer panel. Got it.
And it was created a long time before to try some products.
Understood. Ankit, like, do we have all the URLs that we have tried so far?
Yeah, Makran, can you share me your customer ID and reseller ID we have? Can you share the customer ID? the one which you logged in
The
right now.
email address is same, so I think we should be able to pick it up.
Okay, let me search. Okay. No worries, Makran. Can you once
Everything in the recording you can get from the recording.
Yes, yes.
understood? You can share the recording URL with us, so we can
That will help
investigate
us,
this.
Makran. So yeah,
Yes, I will
that's
share.
the perfect. Ankit,